Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant topics for Australians and future citizens alike, Australian citizenship. Let's explore its importance and what it means for you. First, let's discuss the eligibility criteria. To become an Australian citizen, you must meet certain key requirements, including residency duration and good character. Now, let's go through the application process step by step. We'll break it down so you know exactly what to expect. Next up, here are the common documents required for your application. Make sure you have these ready for a smooth submission. Understanding the citizenship test is crucial. It assesses your knowledge of Australian history, culture, and laws. Let's talk about its format and some study resources. Wondering how long the processing times are? Let's discuss what you can expect and how long you might have to wait for a decision. So, what happens after you submit your application? We'll cover interviews and how you will be notified of your application status. Unfortunately, some applications get rejected. Let's discuss common challenges and reasons for application denials so you can avoid them. Once you become a citizen, it's essential to understand your rights and responsibilities. Let's highlight what they entail. In conclusion, becoming an Australian citizen is a rewarding journey. For more information, check out the official resources listed in the description below.